Hello, good day. Today, I want to listen to the question, what is meditation? And also to give a very simple practice that I like to use for meditation. So, in my understanding, meditation is an inner space. It's an inner space of pure consciousness. In this state, we can observe, we can listen to any kind of sensation, emotion, thought, insight, dream. We can listen to memories from the past, and sometimes we can listen to insights about the future. We are listening to what there is in the moment. Maybe you can say that meditation is a kind of a listening, but a very deep one. So there are many techniques of listening to ourselves. And the important thing is that in any kind of technique is that your consciousness, my consciousness, will be focused on itself and not on the thing that I am doing, not in the technique. So whether I am dancing or writing or breathing or practicing yoga or swimming, cooking, meditation is a state of consciousness while an action is happening, a quiet one or another one. But the action is not the point. The point is that while I am doing an action, I focus in the pure consciousness that is tuned to what I do. It's like my eyes are focused inside and not outside. In the ability, I am focusing in the ability to look at something, to listen to something, to see something. So today's technique is one meditation that I love to use. It's a writing method, a very simple one. I enjoy to use it once a day in the days that I like this meditation. For 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm taking something to write in. I like to do it by hand and not in the computer. And I'm just writing like intuitive words, associative words, without controlling anything that comes through me. And I allow anything that wants to come out to come out. The important thing in this meditation is that it allows a kind of cleansing of the body and mind, especially the level of the mental mind and the emotional parts of me. And if you allow yourself after 10 minutes, 15 minutes of writing, a few minutes to close your eyes and just sit, it will even deepen the ability to be in the state of pure consciousness. So I hope I gave you some inspiration today, and if you try it, please share with me. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Good day.